Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix OBS Studio not working on your MacBook. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are a few ways on how you can fix your OBS Studio. First one being, make sure that your OBS is updated. So what you can do is just go to OBS Studio and then press on check for updates, and then download the latest macOS version from obsproject.com. Older versions often crash on newer macOS. And now the second one is allow permissions in macOS. Obviously, permissions to record, capture screen, and access audio. What you can do is just open system settings and then go to privacy and security and enable obvious for screen recording, microphone, camera, if needed, accessibility for capturing Windows/apps. Without these, OBS will fail to capture or screen your sums. And then the third method is reset OBS settings. What you gotta do is just open OBS preferences and then general, and after that you just gotta go to reset settings. This fixes crashes caused by corrupted configs. Well, now the fourth one is check your Mac OS security settings. If you see OBS can be opened, it's from an unidentified developer. What you can do is just open system settings, privacy and security, allow apps download from App Store and unidentified developers. Now click allow anyways for OBS, and then the fifth one is going to be update graphics drivers. So macOS handles GPU drivers automatically, but make sure your macOS Tahoe is fully updated. Go to system settings, software update, and then reinstall OBS. If nothing works, delete OBS from all applications or remove config like this, and it's just gonna show something like this, and then re-download OBS from their official website, install a fresh version. Run OBS as administrator. Right click, open as administrator, helps with capture and audio issues. Number 8, check plugins and sources. Disable third-party plugins temporarily and remove problematic sources like certain browsers, captures, and NDI sources. So yeah, this is it. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.